Great. Now that we've got the zip finally unboxed, we're going to unbox the accessories and get you set up for your first print. We're going to go over 3 things that you're going to need to continue with the onboarding. A pair of snips, a level. You could also use an app on your phone, a level, and a nice sheet of A3 paper. To start, remove the tape binding the zip's door and chassis together. Open the zip. Use your snips to remove the zip tie. Remove the L-shaped brace. Close your zip. Attach the power cord to your AC adapter. Then attach that to your zip desktop printer. Afterward, be sure to plug it in. Now you're on your way. Once the zip is powered up, you'll be prompted to get started. Be sure to scan the QR code and register your zip. Once completed, you'll be given a 4-digit PIN to enter here. After your registration is complete, meditate on the fact that you just helped plant 10 trees with your purchase. Now it's time to set up your zip's internet connection via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Once you've selected the network you wish to use, enter your password. Next, the zip will ask you to check your printer's leveling with a bubble level. My table is just slightly off, so I'll move on to the next step to adjust the printer's leveling feet. As shown on the zip's display screen, the leveling feet are found on the underside of the printer. Turn the foot counterclockwise to make that foot taller, or turn the foot clockwise to make it shorter. Press continue when you're done. Now it's time to unbox your zip build plate. After unboxing, insert the build plate onto the Z-stage. Then lock the build plate in place by pulling up on the lever. Press continue. Then next. Okay, resin vat installation time. Inside your resin vat packaging, you'll find a resin spout, a membrane, and a vat frame. Turn your vat frame upside down to install the membrane. Be sure to install the membrane gasket side down, as shown here. You may also have to press along the edges to ensure the membrane is properly seated. Now visually check to see that the membrane is seated evenly along the base of the vat frame. Let's continue. The zip display will walk you through installing the membrane step by step. But we'll go over it again here. First, lock the membrane in place using the 4 large flaps at the front and back of the resin frame. Nice. Next, lock the sides of the membrane in place with the 4 small flaps along the edges of the vat frame. Great job. Then we'll turn the vat frame right side up and insert the spout as shown here. Now it's time to insert the vat. You'll feel the vat frame lock into place thanks to magnetic locking. So satisfying. And here comes my favorite part. Time to shake that resin bottle. Okay. I guess now we'll remove the resin bottle cap. And then insert the resin bottle into the zip. Okay, stay tuned for part 2.